about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello my fellow YouTubers and welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Mila. I love to do DIYs, home decor. I like to make things look high-end on a budget, and I'm going to be incorporating some lifestyle and cooking. So if that's what you're looking for, then you've made it to the right place, my friends. And hopefully after this video you would go ahead and subscribe so you can see everything that I have to look forward to providing for you. That was kind of a mouthful, but you can tell from the looks of it today, I wasn't in the mood to really dress up and be in my office. I've been in bed all day, so I figured let me go ahead and do a quick intro because my husband, well, he did a Target dollar haul, dollar spot haul, and I'm going to use everything that he purchased to do some Easter decor in my living room. All of the stuff that you see there you may not see in the living room, but because I'm incorporating other places in the house, but I'm just showcasing the living room for now. So I do take the DIY bunnies, I paint them, dress them up, give them some yarn pom-poms for a tail, and then I just customize some Easter eggs and then use the other Dollar Tree stuff that I have, the Amazon stuff that I purchased for the spring, and some of the Target dollar spot haul, and hopefully you like the outcome. It's not a lot. I don't have any kids, so it's kind of glam, kind of modern type of style. That's what I want to call it right now. It's kind of eclectic, but these are very simple projects. With the bunnies, of course, you can do as you like. I didn't record myself doing every single step because once you paint them, you can go crazy. You can add ribbons. You can, if you're a glam girl, you can add some bling to the rabbits. If you're more of a rustic, you can add some twine. I mean, you can really dress this paper mache bunny up. So I showed you what I did at the end, and preferably everything that matches my decor, and hopefully you enjoy it. And if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't gone and visited my channel, it's www.howtowithmalusions.org, and I have all my videos there. I have my Amazon store. I am an Amazon affiliate, so everything you buy is going to be no added cost to you, of course, but it does help me out to support my channel. And everything else that I've used, I'll go ahead and put in the description below if I can find it. And if you are on Instagram or Facebook, my handle is @howtowithmalusions. And thank you so much to staying to the end. If you're having a lazy day, leave it in the comment section below. It's just one of them days. Adios. Thank you so much. Hey guys, I just wanted to start out and let you see the haul that I have for Easter and spring. So my husband went to Target and picked up these cute pillows, and reverse they has the stripes in the back, so you can easily flip it over, and it goes nicely with my sofas. So I am loving this added fluff bunny pillow from Target, and this was bucks. And also from Target, he got me these paper mache bunnies, and they're about $5. So I don't know what colors I'm planning to paint it yet, but I'm definitely going to keep it in the scheme of my living room decor. And I have 2 of these. And I got the little bunny plate, well, the cake plate. let's see what they call it. It is a ceramic cupcake stand, and this is $3. It's not huge, but it's a nice soft touch, which is this egg tray, and it also has a little bunny on it as well, and that's like a grayish color in my opinion. It'll blend well with everything I'm going to be doing. And from Amazon, I got these rose potpourris, and so they're really like vase fillers. I don't have the pricing on them, but I will link everything in the description below. I got 2 of these to fill up the vases. I just got some pink florals, like a blush throw. Let's see, I got a sequence runner. I don't know why I love sequins so much, but I really do. So I'm going to be using that on the table. And this is a blush and gold pillowcase for the sofa. Then I got some white chair covers for my chair covers that are kind of like a tan. When I had it for Thanksgiving, I never took it off. But I also bought some of these wreaths because I love hanging like floral wreaths around the house, especially when it's spring and all of that. I got 2 of those, and I got some more flowers, and I believe I got some tulips, and I got a lot of florals in the back that I'm going to be using. So I'm not going to record myself per se cleaning, but I will show you how I use all the decorations that I picked up today.